Hello YouTube, this is RV Granny. Today we decided to take a drive down to the Twin Cities of Centralia, Chehalis. Centralia began as a halfway point for the stagecoaches going from the Columbia River to Seattle. Today it's the location of an outlet mall that boasts such stores as Bass, Coach, Eddie Bauer, Nike, Ralph Lauren, just to name a few. But that's not where we're headed today. We're headed for a place in Chehalis that got its start back in 1947 when two old childhood friends decided to start an Army surplus business after the end of World War II. If you're an old timer from this area, you probably remember it. In the 1960s, it had its heyday and was popular all over the state. That's right, we're going to Yardbirds. The building started out as an old cannery and is 305,000 square feet. The place today has 60 independent merchants selling merchandise of all different sorts. Imagine 60 garage sales in one spot under one roof. That's about what describes it best. There's a beauty salon, an espresso place, a grocery store, and then all the different shops. There's lots to see. There's even a place to play blacklight miniature golf. Did I mention that they have books? Books upon books, shelves and rows and stacks everywhere. Lots of books. If you're a treasure hunter at heart, this is the place for you. Thursday through Sunday are the best days to come because that way you'll find more of the stores open. Today was Monday and a lot of places were closed. Oh, by the way, do you know what these are? That's right, they're some old road flares. I really like this bronze statue. Wish I had a place to put it. It's a cool place to shop for decorators and collectors alike. I think I remember having that Casper when I was a child. Well, we've done enough shopping for today, so it's time to head home. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.